Understanding of the market, of the local stakeholders, of the local supply chain. For me, the key topic this year is really the debate that takes place at the parliamentary level in France related to the planification of all energy in France for the next 10 years. It's very important that SEANERGY takes place at the same time, where it will demonstrate that there is a real activities, a filière which exists in France and which is very beneficial for France. We've got 3 parks under construction, and this is really the opportunity to demonstrate that offshore winds is a reality, that we can build and construct wind farms with a significant share of local industry, and which is very key for us. I think the value that OW brings in this market is really its understanding of the market, of the local stakeholders, of the local supply chain, and this is really where ocean winds bring value. Means contributing to the energy transition and building a local supply chain.